You are using ChatGPT but not like the pros too. These secret prompts will unlock instant results. Once you know them, there is no going back. Today I am revealing secret tips and tricks to help you prompt like a pro, whether you are writing content, coding, brainstorming, or just trying to save time. Stick around because by the end you will be able to craft prompts that make ChatGPT your ultimate productivity partner. Brief intro. Prompt engineering is the art of asking AI the right way. Why it matters? Better prompts equal better, more useful responses. Examples of weak versus strong prompts. Weak prompt is write about marketing. And the strong prompt is write a 500-word blog post on digital marketing strategies for small businesses in 2025, including examples and statistics. Encourage viewers to experiment and practice. Be specific. The clearer your question or task, the better ChatGPT can respond. Define the format. Ask for list, summaries, bullet points, etc. Set the tone. Formal, casual, funny, technical. Specify the style. Add context. Background info improves accuracy. Limit or expand responses, word count, sections, etc. Explain blockchain technology in simple terms for beginners in under 300 words with 3 real-world examples. Role-playing prompts. Assign a role to ChatGPT to get focused answers. Example, you are a professional career coach. Advise me on how to negotiate a salary raise. Step-by-step instructions. Ask ChatGPT to break down complex topics or tasks. Example, explain how to start a dropshipping business step by step. Chain of thought prompts. Request detailed reasoning or explanations. Example, explain the pros and cons of remote work with detailed examples. Multi-tone conversions. Build on previous responses for deeper insights. Example, ask follow-up questions based on ChatGPT's answer. 5+ ready-to-use prompt templates for different needs. Content creation. Write a catchy blog post for introduction about a topic. Emails. Draft a professional email to request a meeting with a client. Learning. Summarize the key points from the text. Coding help. Write a Python function to task. Brainstorming. Give me 10 creative business ideas in any industry. Being too bogged or bored. Overloading the prompt with unrelated info. Forgetting to specify output format. Expecting perfect answers every time. Iterative prompting is key. Ignoring follow-ups to refine responses. Use system messages in ChatGPT Plus to set behavior. Save your best prompts for easy reuse. Experiment with tone and style variations. Use temperature setting to control creativity. Combine ChatGPT with other AI tools for maximum effect. Now you have the secrets to prompts like a pro and unlock ChatGPT's full potential. Start practicing these tips today and watch your productivity soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss my AI hacks and tutorials. Comment below what's your favorite ChatGPT prompt or what do you want me to cover next.